Okay, so to take this door lock out, all we need to do is remove this rubber grommet. Inside will be a T20, T25 set screw. We're just going to take that out. Okay. When that's out, all we need to do is just pull the lock out. Sometimes they're pretty tight to get out, so you might have to wiggle it and jiggle it, but I assure you it will come out. Now moving on to the cluster. To get this out, we just pull this guy straight off, just like that. Once he's off, there will be two, looks like T15s on each side. There's one on each side. We're going to undo them. Again, I'm working with one hand here, so you have to excuse me a little bit. Okay. Set your screws in the cup holder so you don't lose them. Okay, this is just for the plastic piece, so you can take it out if you want so you don't lose it. It's got two on the side as well, but really we should be able to pull this guy out now. Now you do want to be careful with it because this screen does like to break if you're not careful, but usually what I do is I just grab it from the two sides and just wiggle him out. See the screen come off on that one. You have to be careful. This does get brittle. If your screen does come off, you don't have to send it. Just leave it off, and that will keep it from getting broken. And then I see somebody's already been in this before. That's probably why it's kind of busted up. Just make sure that you protect this well, by wrapping it for shipping. And then back here, there's just this little clip here. So we're going to take him off. To take him off, you just have to press in here. Press that in. When you have two hands, it's a lot easier. Okay. Once you have it pressed in, you can move the pink bar up like this. And that piece just comes straight out. And there's one more clip on there, a blue one. And it's the same thing. You push it in, push the little tab in, and pull up on the pink bar. Okay, see, like that. And the bar just comes straight up. And that comes out like that. And that's all you need to do. You send me the door lock and this cluster, and I will send you 2 new keys, cut and programmed, to start your car.